What if I told you that a secret habit many of us indulge in could be silently shaping our health and future? Today, we're about to uncover the veiled mysteries surrounding pornography and masturbation, and we're not shying away from the tough questions. Have you ever wondered, is it possible that this private act might be affecting your well-being more profoundly than you ever thought? Are you curious about the real impact it has on your health? If these questions are on your mind, you're in for an enlightening ride. Keep watching. We're about to reveal the truths that often go unspoken. And if you're seeking knowledge, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening discussions on practical health tips. The question that often arises is masturbation harmful to health? Well, the truth is, anything done in excess can lead to problems. Our human tendency is to seek pleasure, and when we find something pleasurable, we often want to do it more and more. But, as with many things in life, when it becomes an addiction, it can be detrimental. In Ayurveda, it's believed that 1 drop of semen is as powerful as 4 teardrops of bone marrow. Similarly, 1 drop of sebum is equivalent to 50 drops of blood. This illustrates the immense energy involved in these processes. So, when a person masturbates excessively, a significant amount of vital energy is being wasted for the sake of pleasure. This wastage of energy can lead to various health issues, including nutrient deficiencies, hair loss, and dry skin. In fact, it can even accelerate the symptoms of aging. Imagine feeling like an old person while you're still young. Most patients are struggling with the consequences of excessive masturbation. This young man had been indulging in nightly masturbation for years. It had become a habit he couldn't break. However, this addiction was taking a toll on his life. After he got married, he couldn't perform in bed, which resulted in impotency and erectile dysfunction. His life was in shambles, his wife was miserable, and they couldn't have children. His addiction had not only affected his own well-being, but also had a cascading effect on his family. This tragic story emphasizes that excessive anything is harmful. Apart from its direct impact on health, excessive masturbation can have detrimental effects on your career. It can lead to a lack of focus, poor concentration, and decreased efficiency in your work. In many ways, it's similar to the addiction to alcohol or smoking. A person consumed by such addiction is often deluded and unable to break free from its grip. Now, some argue that there are benefits to masturbation. They claim it's a healthy way to release sexual tension and manage stress. But, as we mentioned earlier, too much of anything is bad. Masturbation can indeed help relieve sexual urges, but the question is, why are these urges so intense in today's youth? The primary reason is the widespread exposure to explicit content, particularly through pornography. In this digital age, young people are bombarded with explicit material on social media, in advertisements, and through films. Nearly 80 to 90% of internet usage is related to porn. This overexposure can lead to an addiction to pornography, which often extends to masturbation. So, how can you control this addiction? One crucial factor in addiction is your subconscious mind. Subconscious behaviors are deeply rooted, making them challenging to overcome. To break free from this cycle, you must learn to divert your energy into more productive and healthier outlets. Here are some practical ways to redirect your energy and regain control of your life. The first piece of advice is to surround yourself with people. Go out with friends and family and engage in productive activities together. Being in the company of loved ones can help you keep your mind active and cheerful. If you find yourself alone, it's essential to develop a hobby. Reading books is a fantastic hobby that not only keeps you engaged, but also enhances your knowledge. Other hobbies, such as trekking, dancing, singing, pottery, drawing, painting, and photography, can be excellent alternatives to fill your leisure time. Additionally, practicing yoga can help manage your energy more effectively. Yoga offers techniques to uplift your energy and improve self-control. Among the various yoga techniques, we recommend 3 specific practices to enhance your energy control. The first is juniper breathing, which involves inhaling fully, exhaling slowly, and holding your breath while contracting your stomach. This technique can help you shift your energy upwards. The second technique is Urdhvanurasana, where you sit in a cross-legged position, hold your knees, and apply pressure while breathing out. This practice is excellent for controlling your energy. Lastly, Bhadrasana can be practiced in a seated or lying down position. This asana helps strengthen your pelvic muscles and enhance sexual vitality. These yoga techniques, when practiced regularly, will improve your body's mastery over your energy. Engaging in physical activities such as running, climbing, playing sports like football, badminton, and tennis, or even swimming can help redirect your energy constructively. By keeping your body fit and active, you'll have better control over every aspect of your life. It's important to remember that addiction, including an addiction to masturbation, can be challenging to overcome. There might be moments of weakness, but don't beat yourself up over them. Don't feel guilty. Recovery is a process, and with determination and effort, you can gradually overcome this addiction and lead a successful life. To sum it up, the key is moderation. Masturbation can have its benefits in managing sexual urges and stress. However, excessive indulgence can lead to a host of problems. The real issue today is the easy accessibility of explicit content, which can easily push someone into addiction. If you're struggling with this issue, don't hesitate to seek help and support from friends, family, or professionals. Remember that you have the power to regain control over your life and your health. So, take the necessary steps to break free from this addiction and lead a fulfilling and balanced life. Thank you for joining us on Practical Health Tip. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical health tips. And be sure to check the description to improve your performance in bed. Stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of yourself. We'll see you in the next video.